How to change email address in Bybit account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin, and in this video I'll guide you on how you can change your email address in Bybit. Well, if you want to change your Bybit account email address, then it's particularly simple and easy. All you have to do is first you want to go ahead and open a Bybit app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in here, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now here, once you're here, you want to tap on the settings of the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now here you can see account info, and under it you can see various options. You can simply tap on security option and head into security page. On the security page you'll find the email. You want to tap on email and you'll see the option whether you want to unlink your registered email or you want to change your registered email. Tap on change my registered email and go ahead through the prompts and you'll be able to change your email. So this is how you can change your email in Bybit account. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.